Welcome back to course number 8, Student Loans and Education Financing. In this lecture, we will discuss the cost benefit of borrowing for education. While taking out student loans can open doors to higher education, it's important to understand both the advantages and potential drawbacks before committing to borrowing. Many students borrow to cover tuition, fees, housing, and other college expenses. Without loans, higher education might not be possible for some families. Borrowing allows access to valuable opportunities and can be an investment in your future career. Borrowing for education can provide long-term benefits. A college degree often leads to higher earning potential, greater job stability, and more career opportunities. Studies show that on average, college graduates earn significantly more than those without a degree, making borrowing an investment that can pay off over time. However, borrowing comes with costs. Student loans must be repaid with interest, which increases the total amount owed. Taking on too much debt can cause stress, limit financial flexibility, and delay major life goals such as buying a home, starting a family, or saving for retirement. To make smart borrowing decisions, students must balance the costs and benefits. Consider how much you expect to earn after graduation compared to the total loan debt. Borrowing is more manageable if your future career provides sufficient income to comfortably repay the loans. Think of borrowing for education as a return on investment, or ROI. The ROI is higher when the cost of borrowing is low and the future income potential is high. Choosing an affordable school, completing your degree, and entering a career with strong earning potential all increase the likelihood of a positive return. Let's consider Alex, who borrows $25,000 to complete a degree in nursing. After graduation, Alex earns a stable salary with growth opportunities, making repayment realistic. Compare this to another student, Sam, who borrows $60,000 for a degree in a field with limited job prospects. Sam struggles to repay the loans, showing how ROI varies. Students can maximize the benefits of borrowing by borrowing only what's necessary, choosing affordable schools, applying for scholarships, and finishing their degree on time. Careful planning ensures that debt is kept manageable and the benefits outweigh the costs. Overborrowing can turn education debt into a financial burden. If loan payments are too high compared to your income, it can impact your quality of life and financial independence. This highlights the importance of researching career earnings and setting realistic borrowing limits. To summarize, borrowing for education can be a smart investment when benefits outweigh costs. A degree can lead to higher earnings and better career opportunities, but only if loans are managed responsibly. By understanding the cost-benefit trade-off, you can make informed borrowing decisions that set you up for long-term financial success. This concludes our course number 8, Student Loans and Education Financing. See you at the next course.